Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today inaugurated the first five-star hotel of Meghalaya, Taj Vivanta in Shillong, bringing to an end a 36-year wait for residents of the city. Other cabinet ministers, senior government officials were also present. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said that it is a great for the state since this hotel was in limbo for long. He also stated that the hotel would go a long way in providing high-end stay to the tourist who would visit Shillong. Proposed in the 1980s, the hotel has been in the news for over 3 decades for all the wrong reasons, having suffered innumerable delays along the way. The erstwhile Crowborough Hotel is now rechristened as Taj Vivanta Shillong. The hotel, which is located in the heart of Shillong city, has 100 rooms in total. Around 150 people will be employed in the hotel in various capacities.
Thank you. Because of the efforts put in by everybody. And Dr. Vijay was absolutely correct in saying that everybody sitting in this room has contributed in one way or the other to making sure that this hotel has reached where it is. We may have played a part in pushing things at the right time with the right effort and monitoring things, but I think everybody has done their part and their role. Our chief secretaries, Mr. Rao is there, Mr. Thank You is there, Kong Rebecca is here, all the past MDs who have been here by Hector, Mr. Prashant Nayak, Kong Rebecca of course, and of course our Chief Secretary himself. So therefore a lot of work has gone into this, and I'm sure that each one sitting in this room, those who have been directly involved in this project, of course you feel the sense of satisfaction.